guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, before we get into what the title of this video is about, two things first. Number one, let's hear this cold start from earlier today when I started up my car right now. Alright guys, so not sure if my GoPro's audio picked up how incredible that sounds, but I haven't done a cold start for you guys in a while, so I want to do that for you. Alright, number two, before we get started, about yesterday's video, I appreciate the support and the replies back from everybody about the daily videos. I had already planned, like some of you actually wrote back, if something comes up, I'll miss a day or two, but I'll be right back on day 3 unless I'm just on vacation, but I'll let you guys know that. So for the most part, stay tuned for daily videos. I'll keep them, for the most part, I try to keep my videos short and sweet, because people that do daily videos, if you ask me, it's best to keep your videos short and to the point, all right, so you can keep the viewer engaged. Now, there will be some videos where they will go 10 minutes plus if it's a video where I have to have a lot of information and I'm trying to cover a lot of info or tell you guys about a lot of information within one video. But for the most part, I'll try to keep them short and sweet like I do. Now, about what this video is about, transmission temperatures. On these cars, your normal transmission temperatures are usually around 180, 185, 190. Now, on a day like today, 93 degrees out, it is not humid out. All right, it's fairly breezy, but 93 degrees. I'm gonna switch cameras in a minute to show you guys. All right, I'm sitting here at 168. If you look it up, the ideal transmission temperature is 200 degrees, all right? And they say for every 20 degrees past 200, the lifespan of your transmission is reduced by a factor of 2. In other words, if you hit 220, all right, so if you hit 220 degrees, you can expect to get about half the normal life of your transmission, all right? And that's right here on Google, all right? So that is what Google's telling you. So we're gonna switch cameras. I'm gonna show you when I'm on the highway in track mode on a 93-degree day that's not really humid. Let's see if these temperatures start to go up. All right, guys, so transmission temperature just went up 5 since the last time we were on video, so it's 170. I'm starting off at 170. I'm already in track mode, as you guys can see, and we're gonna jump on the highway and we're just gonna see on a day that's 93 degrees out, all right, when you're getting on the car, how high these levels go up on these cars. All right, we're just gonna do a test. Let's see if they stay within that 185 to 190 or maybe 195 mark. All right, so we already got up to 172. Once I get on the highway and start getting on it a little bit, let's see how high these temperatures go up. All right, so we're already at 179. Jumped up to 181. So quite naturally, as the car starts to warm up, the transmission temperatures will increase. So I can only imagine if you're on the track doing hard runs, how this temperature could go up real fast. I'm almost worried the day when I was doing all those 0 to 60s how high it was, and I didn't even check. But vehicle health report didn't tell me anything, so I guess that was good. All right, so 186. So 95 degrees out, temperature just increased a little bit. Outside temperature is 95. And we're up to 186. .188. Trying to see if I can get these temperatures up. right, so we went up to 190 and then jumped up to 192. By the end of this trip, let's see where I'm at. I won't be on the highway too much longer, so let's just see how high it goes up from here. All right, 194. Up to 195. Now I would imagine on a car with a lot more power than this, maybe a Hellcat or a Demon, those temperatures would increase or start to increase a lot faster in a big hurry compared to what my car is. All right, we're at 197 right now. So 201. It's kind of what I was trying to do. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was that whine that I was telling you about. It's amazing. All right, guys, so temperatures got up to 206. I don't know if the 206 was caught on camera, but that was the last that I saw it before traffic happened and I started to have to slow down and the temperature went down. So I'll show you right now as I am parked from that run. Temperatures are at 199. So they went up to 206. And they're just hovering right there at 199 as we speak. So that's pretty much how temperatures start to increase in the time frames that they do in a car like this. If you're at the track on it hard, all right, those temperatures will go well over that. So just keep that in mind. Always remember to check your transmission temperatures when you're doing hard runs, even if you're racing, just wherever you are. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be a wrap.